Hi everyone. Welcome back to another money origami tutorial. Today we're going to fold an adorable origami bird using real dollar bills. This easy and fun project is perfect for gift giving, decorating, or simply adding a creative touch to your special occasions. Let's get started and create this lovely bird together. Step 1. Attach 3 bills to form a square. Start by taping $3 bills together to form a perfect square. Origami tip. Make sure the edges align neatly so your square is crisp and sharp. This will help the folding process later on. Step 2. Fold diagonally. Now, fold your square diagonally from one corner to the opposite corner to form a triangle. Crease the fold well, then unfold it to reveal the center crease. Step 3. Fold diagonally again. Now, fold the square diagonally in the opposite direction. You should have 2 creases forming an X in the center of your square. Step 4. Fold the sides into the center. Take the left and right edges of the square and fold them toward the center line. This will narrow the shape and prepare it for the next steps. Origami tip. Make sure the folds are neat and symmetrical to give the bird a balanced look. Step 5. Fold the body. Now, fold the bottom section upwards to form the body of the bird. Press the fold firmly to keep it sharp and well-defined. Step 6. Fold the wings. Fold the top edges outward to create the wings of the bird. You can adjust the width of the wings to make them look wider or narrower based on your preference. Origami tip. Gently curve the wings to give them a more lifelike, spread out look. Step 7. Fold the head. Fold the top point downward slightly to create the head of the bird. You can adjust the size of the head to fit the body proportionally. Step 8. Done. And there you have it, your very own money origami bird. cute, fun, and makes a perfect gift or decoration for any occasion. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to let us know how your money bird turned out and what other animals you'd like to fold next. Money origami, origami bird, dollar origami, easy origami, origami animals, creative gift, fun folding, origami tutorial.